HealthX Africa. Discover accessible, affordable, convenient, confidential, and quality healthcare. Connecting with us is simple. No smartphone, internet access, or airtime? No problem. Simply call us for free on 0800 720 795. Using our mobile app is equally as easy. Head to your Play or App Store and search for HealthX Africa. Press download. Once it's installed, open the app and let's get you registered. Follow the prompts, enter your details, and voila! You're in. Already have an account? No worries. Just log in using your credentials and you're good to go. Now that you're in, let's take a tour of the app's major features. Select who you would like to speak to: medical doctor, clinical psychologist, or a clinical nutritionist. Choose your preferred language, English or Kiswahili, and select how you would want to speak to our medical professionals: video call, voice call, or live chat, and connect instantly. No need to wait in line. Securely check or upload your medication prescriptions, vital readings, and all your medical records under the My Health section. Embrace your best health today. Call us for free on 0800 720 795. Download our app or visit our website. HealthX Africa, a doctor for every Kenyan.